right, welcome back. How are we all doing today? Happy weekend to you, or good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Good morning to some of you. And we are here again for a very quick one. It could be maybe it's gonna be a long video, but let me see how we can manage that. I'm not gonna go detail to say much, but I would like you to pay attention. Listen to this. Gaddafi appeared on Ishocha as an Ago platform, and there says something that I want to share with you. Remember, PM sacked Gaddafi, and Gaddafi have never returned. In fact, Gaddafi was celebrated allegedly, hearing that PM had been detained, meaning that Gaddafi see PM as enemy. When Gaddafi appeared on Ogenkere's media platform, Ishocha was one of those that was furious about it, questioning the integrity of Ogenkere camp and their medias. Today, Gaddafi is back already with her. Few months ago, we heard this issue of Caterpillar, right? Who is Caterpillar, you may ask? I don't want to talk about his role as a man on ground or anything at all, but the news or the story is that PM also distanced himself from Caterpillar. In fact, Caterpillar picked a fight with PM, and according to what they're saying, I don't have any proof to that. And when Caterpillar, approached USB, these people begin to range about it. I don't know the level of the approach. I cannot tell you that truly I'm just using their words that Caterpillar is done with USB. They say something like that, right? Many of you, even today, that was the reason why CA decamped. I began to give reasons, which I leaked his reasons. He began to attack himself, that he had thinking that he's attacking me. That story is out there. So he exchanged word with me. I reply him back, and I don't know anything. I don't know if he said something like back me again, but the one I know is the one I respond to. We are not here about that. I just want to remind you that the same mouth that criticized people that they said allegedly in contact with Caterpillar are those that are now praising Gaddafi. And when Gaddafi appeared on Ogenkere platform, Ogenkere media platforms, the same woman used her mouth to criticize Gaddafi rather. So you can see the flip flop. Now, without wasting much of your time, because I don't want this video to be too long, because the message, the audio is somehow long, somehow. But let us go through it without wasting much of your time. You just listen. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please, very, very important that you do that, please.
God bless you. God bless you. It's not me. You are Biafra and Gaddafi is Biafra. Yes. You are not running from our land. We can fight. We can quarrel. But because we love Biafra, we put whatever is our difference behind us. Yes. We fight for our people. Yes. You live in France, I live in Korea. Yes. And we live a better life. Our people here down there, they're killing. They're killing them. You know what happened? I commented in your program, when you were making your program, I said, when you were talking about this woman, I said, the other people should ask this woman the whereabouts of Holy Ghost. Yes. You know that somebody screenshot my comment on your program and got where I said they should ask people not available. And they now said to let me call Sonny. You know me now, I don't tell lies. I tell it the way people know me. Forget when we me and you quarrel. You know me, you know who I am. Now they said it to them that Gaddafi said that Biafra people should start asking the whereabouts of Holy Ghost. Even if I said that, it is my right. Yes, you are right. They was reaching was on a board of flood. The commander in chief of terrorists, they make a Holy Ghost. But the person screenshot my comment
Okay, I'm not here to talk about what happened to Holy Ghost or not because I don't know. But I remember another person called Zuma, whom they pied before Holy Ghost. Who pied Zuma? Nobody's talking about that one. And they're not questioning those that leaked the information that brought the news out. Where is Zuma? They don't ask it. This is to tell you, it's all about when they want to attack, they can use anything. Some of the things they themselves have in their own pocket, they will use that to attack. You get the point? What the difference between Commander Holy Ghost and Commander Zuma? I don't know because the only thing I know is that they are all men on ground. So I don't know if this one has different job to do, the other one has different job to do. I don't know. But my question is, since you guys are I know discussing those things in public, and you claim that you have intels, access to everything, I think you are better positioned to also tell us who pied Zuma and what happened to the commander they called Zuma. So I'm just saying because these are the kind of people that are dragging everything backward. Just listen.
God bless you. God bless you. That's the screenshot goes to Sonny. God Gaddafi said. And you know what? I love Biafra. You yourself, you know. Everybody know. Gaddafi loves Biafra. I can never give up. I am not fighting for Biafra because of anybody. I'm fighting for Biafra to revenge the state of my family members that died and was buried in the man's grave. So all the things that this woman is doing, my sister, yes, he is trying to collect grants. I want to give any one of you assignment, fight and prove. If you allow people to recollect grants from okay. Yeah, because making sure to buy equipment for those are men. You know one man that called Mr. Chika. You know, he starts. You know what he is doing. For my own business, I know younger people live gossip, live foreign, live their differences, and fight their common enemy. Either they do it, or Fulani will take our life, and we will fight and pay with our blood to recover our land. These are two things like before. Gossip, quarrel, fight, or you focus fighting to recover our land back. My blood sister, another man, here you fight, here you quarrel, but I'm calling your program because of what Biafra. I don't have anything against anybody, against anyone. At least, by now, all of us have come to our senses to know that we have somebody that was in our midst that has a mission, that has a plan, that has a purpose to make sure he remove or she remove the people that are supposed to defend our BF so that she will have her way.
Did he say to defend our PM? Because when he came back, to Ogengre people, he technically insulted PM. He said something about flag falling from people's hand. Remember that statement? He don't want to make that mistake again. Now he's now coming to rebrand himself our PM. Our PM that celebrated that allegedly that look, I don't have any problem with this guy. He's not my enemy. Gaddafi is not my enemy. I don't know. I don't have any reason to tag him as enemy. Do you get my point? What I'm trying to say is that he is enemy. You have issue with the PM, not the enemy. I don't really want to see it as enemy. I don't even know the offense he committed that made PM to sack him. Get it clear. So I'm not here to tell you that he's enemy to Biafrans. He's my enemy. He's not my enemy. But what I'm saying is that how can you tell us that PM? Because I remember when he was attacking PM for posting fake. He said that he's posting fake information and all that. Then, and after PM sacked him, he began to attack PM, just like why Israel is attacking COS for sacking her. Typical Igbo people. You don't want to be in the government. You don't want to work with somebody. Instead of to go and mind your business, you devote more time to destroy that government. Why? Not because what the person is doing is wrong, no, but because you find yourself no more in the movement. The best thing is to destroy everything. So how can you refuse to come back to amend your way when PM was here, and when PM is gone, you came back technically insulting PM, and Biafran raised an alarm on that. You hide again, you run away, coming back to pretend that all this has passed away. Then my question is, if all things passed away, where did you keep that old thing? Passed away to where? Because you coming back and are trying to convince people that you are okay, and it did not go down well with me. I don't think it's possible. All right. Now, let's continue, because there's something that this guy said here that honestly I want you to pay attention to that. I'm not here to mock why Susan for bringing somebody that was sacked. No, because in fact, if there's anyone to do that kind of thing, she's one, because she's good in licking back. She's good in licking, eating her vomit, going back to where she dropped her stool or poo, anything like anything that she dropped that she don't like, she always go back to feed on that again. What dog do? You know that some of you don't like to hear that, but let me continue.
Now because this Chika Balafa, I can remember. Because I know this man who always cabinet member, brigade cabinet member. So this when I was in Gozala Bolofani, commander in chief of terrorists. This man called Chika.
Go play one no, even all over. Categorically more. This woman, you can go. Just pay attention, please. Very important. Pay attention.
We see that now, what do you want with that guy? Do you know why? Because now isn't that not our booty was at them shock. And on our I didn't miss you. I am in your program now. I think I did like because this kind of information I like it because this man say why did you wear baggage? Why did you wear baggage from that? Because I like full of funny. That's not anything I want to go nine on now. Oh, the mother intelligent thing when I say security. Because I like full of funny can never work with you. Because I am mother his agenda.
Pay attention here. This is one of the reasons why I said to react on this. Why Israel is telling Gaddafi here that no matter how intelligent you are in the security, according to her, that you understand, she's not going to work with you. Reason, pay attention to this part, that she cannot work with you because no gamma. Listen, pay attention. Now, let me take it back a bit.
Because his agenda.
That working with Gaddafi, that Nagama her agenda. Then Gezenti can have the agenda. Meaning that working with Gaddafi is not to get Biafra. That not get up with the statement that now go to Fulani according to her will not work with you. Because Nagama's then not going to work with you. That the agenda is not to bring Biafra. Saying this in the presence of Gaddafi, and Gaddafi couldn't decode what she said. Nagama her agenda na her agenda na work with you. Na her agenda bụ na he hand our land over. So we are trying to technically saying that Gaddafi himself also he hand our land over to Fulani. Let me drag it back again so you can hear that part. I'm not supposed to do this, but I have to because no. Get it?
The matter intelligent thing where I security.
Why?
Because Fulani can never
work with you. Okay.
Because his agenda.
Nagama her agenda. Nagama her agenda no work with Gaddafi. Now that the agenda is not to bring Biafra.
Agenda was Fulani to hand our land over to Nigeria, to Fulani. So,
so what we are trying to say is that Gaddafi will be the one to reveal the agenda, or are you saying that the agenda, the Gaddafi will not hide the agenda because both of them will be in the same frequency to hand the land over to Fulani? That's why she don't want to work with Gaddafi. I don't know what they're trying to say here, but the only thing I want you to understand is that this woman, if you are listening to her, you are just wasting your time. Honestly, you are wasting your time. Like I said, just few things I want you to pick from this. You will hear the part where Gaddafi told her that, you used to be my girlfriend. Okay, because I know that's a typical wafer. When I said it, I'm talking about those Akata women like Ada. Okay? Ada, Akata people who always want to show that their leader is an Ago. Hear it again. Ike Kukwa.
Okay, now, today, I'm a feminine approach. I'm a feminine girl. You also want another thing what I give from Guineana so this we have a category only feels they work with this man and if you don't want this use my platform, they will say this kind of information. This guy. Well, a crew to I coach you, well, a crew to for the first time I ever my program since they are about this kind of thing, which I'm 100% sure. This man in a mission, because it's better to offer or they are working because of the flag or not with him. And then a platform goes on a good flag, or maybe gasological and the criminals here. This man is not in that platform. Because someone on our work now is a security platform obviously on that place. He's not a security platform was how manage you work with him or not outside that platform? This kind of thing that this platform I don't like it. So
Kita call what a mistake here. Now she seemed to realize her mistake now because people were going to come after her. She want to act as if, oh, you just called me. Now I know that you calling me is not good. And now I know that you call him on my platform is, but when you listen to the beginning of the conversation, you can understand that they have been in contact for some time, if not from all this while, even when PM was here. But she will keep on pretending. Why giving intel to all the enemies of USB? You understand? This woman is something else.
So
Listen.
my platform will put this kind of thing in my room. It's like in our own what is going on. And I don't like use my platform like this kind of thing. Wait. If you do that now, you comment in a change from that place, it's not got to be feeded with the from that place, but then our working on your and it's almost 100% sure that this man on a platform, a security platform was. And if you look at them, we will see. I don't like it. I want to hear about this chick. I don't want to discuss about it in my platform. No. This man that they are talking, this man, no, I actually discuss anything but this issue here again. What if I talk about because I'm from the reason about this kind of thing here? I'm at maybe I won't see. I'm on this kind of thing. That is my platform. People are listening to me and you. Because this man, I can remember that something that I know. I call Ngozi Balabukolo Fulani. I commanded this man to Ngozi Balabukolo Fulani. I commanded him. The only reason why he commanded because I know that this man work with Obatobie. He's a cabinet member. Okay, what I so we're asking Ngozi to gate. The same Ngozi everything man be men. I want a man, and the other substance. How do we give introduced to those guys, to our Biafra angels, and their number? I said, leech up. Yeah, all this our brother, our brother, lawyer, Gaga. We organize our angels on armor because you know Ngozi issues will categorically in the area work because there is no way Ngozi will put the work with Chica. There is no way. I'm telling you the reality. There is no way. There is no way. And there is no way. And I like this thing I don't know. I want to talk about this. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to know what it is to live this hour.
Did you notice something? She's not happy that the CS refused to work with a man called Chika, which I don't know. And that Chika could be him because her name is Chika Ike. So maybe she pretending that she's talking to somebody, but she is the one because she has been looking for a way to be in charge of men on ground. Now, the fact is that she still has refused to work with the so-called Chika, which I don't know. All right? Then that Chika is what this woman said that she don't know. She don't know Chika. But how do you know that Chika can perform well? That's another question. Now, you said that COS is a Oraba Fulani. She's a Fulani woman. But you are recommending someone that you, in your own word, that he knows what he or she can do in this to help freedom and achieve something in your own word. But you are begging somebody who is a Fulani woman to work with the person. You see the reason why you need to also respond to this woman is very important for some of you who are questioning that. Let's listen.
Only my way to go on the Amago. I need this person like I'm going to be happy. I you will a time or country where my no, the only person when he can eat with him, this man, this Ngozi, who is this chief. I tell you, they are back at this command this man, this woman, Jelajo. They were all that like Chica, Nangosi, on a wall for an Incalatroto, Chica. Of him, now you don't forget again, of your idea. Your idea, nothing that you put down. All that no good the bow or Jimmy Pitches for all I was about the front to you. You know what I'm telling you. Which leads you up to this guy and a Chica. Of him, I can't use to go there for Bulliani. I mean, not Jeffala, cannot be my idea that one. Not all that true. Now goes on a go fly in a Chica. I will together. Oh my God. You know what that guy, the capable, was saying, Ngozi, go and meet him. And the mama, I forget this case from him. And the government, this man, now. He will not work at Sialo. Oh, you will not work at Sialo. Mama, that's not. Here it is, go say back now. Capacity of this man, na security carry with the social media. I didn't remember by now his capacity. I'm going to this man. But even now, I go that now. You know him very well. You work with him, and you know what he's capable. Oh, I'm also going to fly in a chica. Which more what that level like? You know him very well. You work with him, and you know what he's capable. Oh, I'm also going to fly in a chica. Which more what that level and they will like here. We all go together. But yeah, what is what to go on? I'm bringing road by. Now, see, now, Jafala, that Kelly played the Jafala, the 100%. 100%. So even not cheap, even not cheap, now. Jafala, the last one to live now. Thank God, neighbor, this man. I'm happy, neighbor, this one. Let me tell you something. Do you know the way some nights you became Gaddafi? When I'm okay. I'm leaving India for when they would have Gaddafi. Our land is gone. Gaddafi gave it now. As a one associated by the side. We will take this man, I want that we need to take and I will capable to do something. I'm telling you,
So fallback republic cannot do something. Now you are not looking for Gaddafi to meet somebody to do something. You see? And today, the one Vavavami is bragging that they're gonna have joint program today. You're gonna have joint program today with Remedios and Ada and you. Ada is here looking for another nation where she will be the prime minister and the APM. If the man are going to why, there's an ago. Now listen. Okay.
You were on this platform where we don't want you to know why we're for nothing. You are check it to see here, get their point. I know to Gaddafi. Even the last one when they came back in court of now. Hey, go back to Jenny Chica. Shadow Bible is where he bless our land. Put our own capable to do that. Just save for our life of our people, Gaddafi. And the man was go away. Chica. I want that Chica, everything will be alright. Just regret our people are dying. And they would never by secretly. You will idea. I was in Africa. Only when I get away that she by this side. Let us continue and let our land.
Now let us hear this part.
Thank you very much.
Listen.
Our life is free. This idiot, this is all I do. I told her our land upside down. Don't worry yourself.
But the question is, after falling back, does it mean that ATM cannot do something like? Must you also? So you think that he's not capable? So you are lying to people like once again that the PM say you should fall back, go back to original structure. Now you are coming from original structure again, looking for a way, looking for somewhere again to build your own country. And people don't want to start counting on this woman's words to understand what she actually wants. Is in Nagoya, East and France. I don't know. This is something that is, unbearable. Nobody will take it from you. Can you just imagine? Now, let's.
Very, very happy. Don't worry. And the man that's like from now after Ghana.
Wow.
My sister, we all are Biafra and our God to make sure that we save our life. Thank you very much. It is our people, it's our blood. If we do not eat any of us today, it may reach us tomorrow. Because if you look at it, if you see the look of things, Fulani herdsmen are taking position in our life. That's a week. The jihadists. Let us put our anger, our problem, our order, let us put it aside and put them ourselves. That's why I call your program. You understand me? That's why I call you. I did not call you because DIA is calling. I just call to let you know that I have nothing against you. I am me. I am me. And I will remain me. That's why I know who you are. And I know what you feel that I'm able to do. I know you do. Go back to Chica.
Not go back to Ogenkere, not go back to Briggy, not call ATM, not to call Sonny. No, 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 no. This group of people are busy celebrating, looking for a way to team up to form their own country. And in pretense, the other guy, Vam, is busy celebrating that, I've uploaded the video. I have a video here where we talk about his early celebration, where he was jubilating that a woman called my worry sister has fall back and he's celebrating, throwing party. Remember the party they threw, they nearly used open in celebration to that the Adokoko is back. What happened after that? None of what is the one they call the worst. I don't even know the woman. Like I said, anybody can fall back. Nobody's against that. Fall where you want to fall, but don't think that somebody fall back will make other people to fall back. No, not at all. Hear them.
Biko. I will do the little Biko that I know to do. Biko. So I want to say to Biafra people, Biko. They should put their prayers and God. Biko. They should put our heart. Biko. We are not going to disappoint Biafra people. We will do what we need to do to make sure we save our land. Saving our land is the best thing to do. Thank you. And my sister, my blood, and daddy on our keep on the good work you are doing. Anything we need to do to save the land, we will do it. Regardless of what. Yeah. I love you. I love every Biafran.
When he said I love you, don't think that is a agape love. No. At the end of this video, you hear what he said. That you used to be my girlfriend. That part is not a joke. And that is why many of them don't want free, agitation to be achieved, because once you do that, it will spoil their private businesses. Many of them who choose to do work movement, just like DOS carrying flag in places in Europe and having a kind of carnival. From time to time, they do that and go to local hotel there and settle themselves in the name of agitation. Again.
Remember, my brothers and sisters, my relatives were buried in the Namas grave. We need to revenge for their death. And the death of every other Biafran that are dying every day. My sister, my auntie, and my Gaddafi will never give up. Thank you. No matter what, no matter the name anybody calls, we will save our land first. Yes. No, I will make everything. I will make sure it's like an abolition. I will do it. Somebody told me, Peter, when they listen to what I'm saying today or now, somebody told me that Peter was looking for my number. Out of anger, I did not give him that number, but you see, now I will give him my number. See, I will call him. I want to say now. Thank you very much, Gaddafi. You know me now, madam, my sister, you know me. I love our Biafra. Yeah. So I greet you. You don't want to answer your little man like you will see. Your little man like you will see what you as a wasso. When you slow with that, yes, nothing capo. You need to focus now how to protect our land. This is my problem. Obviously, I will not worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. We will do better than ever. Thank you. We will do better. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired of it.
Did you hear that? I love you. I love Biafran people. God bless you. Do. Let me take it back again. God bless you. Do. How can they want to go Biafran? Go again.
I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired.
Again. Correct me if I did not hear that well on conversation, but to me, what I hear here, what I can hear from him is you do.
Do better than ever. Thank you. Do better. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired of living abroad. Thank you. God bless you, my sister. Yeah. Get on to. I love you. I love my platform. Then, follow you. I think you're doing good now. Thank you.
And you used to be my girlfriend. Again.
I think you're doing good now. Thank you. You used to be my girlfriend.
That is the one. You see how they roll. Inconsequential. People who can never ever be diligent in what they're doing. It's about girlfriend. Look at it. And please, that part where he said, God bless you and God bless you do.
Yes, nothing capo. You need to focus now how to protect our land. This is my
Thank you.
God bless you. I love you. I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you.
God bless you, you do. Is that not what he said?
I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired of living abroad. Thank you. I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired of living. I love my Biafra people. Don't bless like you. I'm tired of living abroad. Thank you. God bless you, my sister. Yeah. Get on to. I love you. I love my platform. Then, follow you. I think you're doing good now. Thank you.
Okay, my people, thank you so much, and I just want to share this with you. The choice is yours. It is not about cajoking or castigating anybody. It's following the truth and what it is. So it will help you to make up your own decision, to understand what is going on. Don't just think because somebody said, Mr. A said, use your brain. See you again. Please like the video and tell me what you think about what we discussed so far. Gaddafi returning back and they are forming another country. Why Isocha is pretending to be in a brigade just because she want to use that. She want to use their platform to get back at the people that sacked her. And Ogengre group are falling to that nonsense using people who cannot think. You are there as a man, or this woman is using your brain because she's not with you. She didn't fall back. She just used that to support herself for time being while building another country of her own. See you and God bless you. Like I said, bye bye for now.